Hi everyone, welcome back to the Refrigerator. Last week we celebrated Earth Day, and I should have done this book last week, but I forgot. So I'm going to share it with you today because I really love it, and it is about the Earth. This book is called Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth, and it was written and illustrated by Oliver Jeffers, and he's one of my favorite authors and illustrators. This book has a lot of really cool illustrations close up, so I'm going to try and show you some of them as I read. So it says here, our solar system, one of trillions. You can see here the sun and all of the planets. And this one says, here we are. We live on planet Earth. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of two parts, land and sea. The land is rock and dirt, and the sea is the water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about the land. And here Oliver Jeffers shows us some things about the land, like cold mountains and pointy, bumpy, hot, flat, wet, hot, and dry. Then there's the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk more about that once you've learned to swim. See all the cool pictures. There's also the sky, though it can get pretty complicated. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. Head, brain for thinking, arms, heart to pump your blood, a belly, legs, lungs, that's for breathing, bones to hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Bits that grow back are your nails and your hair. The most important thing for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason not to be nice to them. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime, and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night, when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out, so there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. 3,327,450,667 and counting. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. All right, my friends, get out your pencils. We are going to draw planet Earth. You've got your pencil. The first thing we are going to do to draw planet Earth is to draw a circle in the middle of our page. Pretty easy. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to draw the land on Earth. Land is different shapes, right? So I'm going to draw a couple on here. I'm going to draw the North Pole, North America, South America, Europe, and the South Pole. All right, some other things I want to draw here are the moon and some stars, maybe some galaxies. Can't wait to see what you guys do. The moon is just a tiny circle. And I'm going to draw stars. If you remember from before, we are going to draw stars by starting to draw an upside down V. And we are going to connect this side out, over, and back down. I'm going to add some swirls. And maybe some circles, little dots. All right, I'm going to get out my marker and do some tracing. All right, for my coloring, I am going to color the land green and the sea, the water, some shades of blue. I'm going to color my moon gray and my stars yellow. All right, now I'm going to paint the background black. All right, my friends, that's my planet Earth, a great place to live. Stay tuned for some pictures that have been sent to me. Send your pictures to our email address on the next slide, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.